If you've ever put a screw into a wall and had it pull straight back out, you've probably drilled into the wrong place. So, brick or mortar? Here's the answer. Always drill into brick, not the mortar. Mortar is soft, it's designed to flex and absorb movement, which means it crumbles under load. A raw plug sitting in mortar won't hold much at all. Brick, on the other hand, is dense and hard. That's where your plug grips, and that's where your fixing will actually hold. Now, there is one exception. If you're fitting something lightweight, like a picture hook or a cable clip, mortar can be fine. But for anything with real weight, a shelf, a TV mount, a radiator bracket, always go for the brick. The mortar joint is easy to spot. It's the grey line between the bricks. Just make sure your drill bit lands square in the middle of the brick, not on that line. Use a masonry bit, and if your drill has a hammer setting, use it. Once you know where to drill, the next question is what size raw plug and screw you use. I've got a video on exactly that. I'll link it on the screen now. I'll save you a trip back to the hardware shop. If this helps, give it a thumbs up. It takes 2 seconds and it generally helps the channel.